Pardon my free hand, but I wanted to show you guys this. That is cool. That's doing it in style right there. See, if I was going to do a week out here, this is how I'd want to roll. Nice, big, roomy. I don't know if anybody's home. There's no car here, so I assume they're out. Which is pretty uncool, coming over to their camp while they're not here, but I'm just admiring. Hello? Hello? I don't want to wake him up either. Looks like they got the kids. I assume a pet, maybe? No, that's a child's thing, I think. Trash bag. Respect. I don't know if anybody's here. And they could pull up all angry, but I wouldn't blame them. But I would just explain that I'm just admiring their very large shelter. And the fireplace. That is just cool. I don't want to be that guy who snoops too much, so let's just go ahead and leave it at that. But that might be a bit big for one guy, but depends on how long I was out here too. Now, I wouldn't do anything to disrespect their camp. Like, I'm sure some people would steal it, but I wouldn't do such a thing. You know, I probably broke some kind of camp ethic by getting up too close to it, but you know, my approach was out of aberration, not out of, you know, ill will. And if there was somebody in there, I would have complimented them on their shelter and said, "Oh, how cool that was." So, and that is very cool, though. You know, little respect. This might be its own little quick video just to kind of show you what I found, but